welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because I am redoing my balcony finally. Basically, I ordered some stuff from IKEA. I forgot what they call them, but it's like a set of stuff that you can actually put down. It's like it resembles tiles, but I bought like a tile looking one and a grass looking one to put on the balcony, and this is just like a tea table set thing to go on the balcony with my 2 sets of chairs. And I also bought these solar lights, so I'm gonna show you guys how I actually set up my solar light thing. So this is what my balcony looks like. So I got the stuff finally on my last paycheck, and I ordered it them, and luckily I was home when it got delivered because I don't know how the hell I would have taken the bus with them something there. I would have probably called an Uber. Like, who am I kidding? I'm so freaking excited to actually get my balcony done. This is one of the last few things that I have to do for my apartment, and then I'll actually do my apartment tour hopefully by, I don't know, September or October or something. I'll get to do my apartment tour. Hopefully it's sooner than that, but that's what I'm aiming for. Anyways, let's just get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is actually clean the balcony and take the chairs off. That's how dirty the thing is. Oh my god. It doesn't make sense that I wipe it down like good with like soap and water, because by midday it's gonna just go back to how it is. So I'm just trying to like get as much dust as I can off the windows and set and actually sweep the floor, because that's really the part that needs to get done. So I'm just gonna take the broom and do like a quick brush over everything to get rid of the dust. Hopefully my allergies don't act up, even though I feel like it's coming on already. Now that's done, I'm gonna open this box that has everything in it. So I got the grass one and I got this one because I figured, okay, here's my reasoning. So I got 1 pack of this and 3 pack of the grass ones, only because the grass ones were like freaking expensive and I couldn't bring myself to buy a 4-pack. So I went a little bit cheaper and bought this, and then I would just have to decide how I want to actually set up everything, which I think I already do. So just work with me, just work with me. And I am praying that it is enough. I did calculate it, and basically I need 32 of these to fill the balcony. So I bought, this is what, 9 comes in each box, so this is 36. So hopefully it works until it's a bit over, and that's the only reason why I bought this one. So I think I'm gonna start with this first. I'm just gonna start on the green ones and start in the corner over there, because I don't know how I'm going to actually fix this part. I have 6 and 9, 15. I have 15 more green grass ones left. I really don't know how I'm going to do this part. Not even sure what to do with here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is gonna take a lot of work. But yo, when I'm kneeling down on my knees out there, my knees are suffering. They're burning right now. Okay. Oh, this is not that easy work. Wish I had a man in my life. Okay, let's get to it. I rearranged everything for these small spaces. I might just get like a box or a metal tin and pack it with stone and put my my lights there. So far so good. So I also bought like mason jars, which is what I want to do, like a solar lantern. This is what they look like. The gold top. I'm trying to figure out if I want to put anything in there or just leave it with the lights because of the glass. I'm not sure yet. I might just leave it alone just where money's concerned. But this is a solar light that I'm working with. So they look like this, and I'm just going to put them in here and then just glue on the top onto the lid of the jar and Gucci and just put them down in those spaces. But I really think I'm going to get like some white stones to put there. Let's start working on this. I'm gonna go ahead and put together the little table. Done, all done. Put this outside. So that's what that looks like. I cleaned up what I could before I left, and I got everything that I needed to get at the dollar store. Here is everything right here, right here. I got these prisms looking things to put in the bottom of the jars. Okay, so I got 3 bags of these. Let's start with this side. But that's what it's looking like! Yeah! Ow. So that's it for my balcony makeover. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to bust a like and subscribe down below. Click the post notification bell to know whenever I do post a new video. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. I am pleased. I'm so pleased. I'm so, oh God. Okay, talk to you guys later.